Basically, what President Trump is trying to do is to force Russian oil out of the global oil supply market. That's the agenda, because they have problem with Russia over Ukraine. Now, the question is that, in India, we don't have any sanctions against Russia. So therefore, these decisions by our refiners, whether to buy Russian oil or not, those decisions are based on commercial considerations, whether public sector companies like Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, or private companies such as Reliance, they have their own way of looking at market, and they are basically taking a call on that. When these companies, post-Ukraine crisis started buying oil from Russia, that was not dictated by the government of India. That was a decision taken by these companies based on commercial consideration, because Russia was offering good discount. Even today, Russia is offering good discount on crude oil. Therefore, our companies are going there. So President Trump agenda is political, while the way we look at it from India on Russian oil is all commercial, is economic. So the question is that, India is a sovereign country, like most other countries. President Trump is basically trying different countries in different parts of the world, saying, don't buy oil from Russia, don't buy this from Russia. That's not really fair. It's, of course, if you go by international law, is also illegal. But the question is that when it comes to India, I think India is very clear, because our economy is very sensitive to the price of oil. We import roughly 88 to 89% of our total requirement of oil. If Russia, as long as Russia is able to give us discount, is able to give us, attractive economic terms to India's refiners, I think Indian refiners will continue to import oil from Russia, whatever the European Union may say, whatever American president may say. That's a decision which is based on commercial consideration. And having said that, at the same time, let's not forget, you see, when India imports oil from Russia, that means India makes sure there is no disruption in the global oil supply system. And it helps practically every single country on the planet, including the United States. India has helped by importing oil from Russia. India has helped the global economy and even the American economy to keep oil prices low. If oil prices are still manageable at the manageable levels across the world, including in the United States, they should be thanking India. It's because of our decision of our companies, both public sector and private sector, to continue to import oil from Russia, refine that oil, sell those products like petrol, diesel, turbine fuel to 106 countries around the world. So that's India's contribution to make sure that the global economy continues to be in good shape.